Oh no, there's a big pothole. Whoop. Wet spots.
Dude, look at that. I glued the heckle out of that.
I've ever been on a ferry. Oh, off-roading, huh? Nice.
Life is a highway.
What is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. I'm out here with Aaliyah. You can see her in the rear view right there. First ride in a minute, in about a week. It's a little chilly, a little cold. Cold tires, be careful. Nothing crazy. The ground is cold, our tires are cold. Just chill, or else it's gonna be slippery, okay? Okay. Boy, oh boy. Wet spots.
Dude, look at that. I glued the heckle out of that.
Biker girl. Yes, sir. I like this Range Rover right here. I don't think I've ever been on a ferry. Oh, off-roading, huh? Nice. Leaves are so slippery. The library. We've been doing good at reading more, but we should still read more. The guy in front of me is dancing. He's having fun. I'm gonna play with him a little bit. Bing bong bong, bing bong bong, bing bong. Oh no, there's a big pothole. Whoop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to hit that like button, if you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know down in the comments. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.